This is it. This is a fridge. This is the drawer. This is the cabinet. This is another cabinet. This is the sink. This is the fridge. These are spoons. Let's open it. Now, see the oven can open it. It can open and close. There is music, lights, and battery. This is the jug. This is the oven. There's everything inside. Let's take it out. Come out. This is so beautiful. Let's remove the cover. Let's put everything down. Then we put it back where it belongs. Copy from the box. Then we all play together. The new happy set. This is the pot. This is the pot cover. Put the pot back and wait for the cups. 1 cup and a jug and another cup and 1 juice. 1 phone. It's 1 pan. Pan cover. Then a different juice too. And a pea and another cup. And a spoon. And hang the knife. Then put the cups there. Take your head to the side. And wait. Hang it. Put the first juice here. Then the cup and jug and the cup on the sink. Then 2 cups. 1 or 3 cups. Put the pot on the top and put the pan on the top. Phone hang up there and then press it and press the button. Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. This is the time of the 12. Take out the spoon. Then put the pot back. Then turn on the button. Let the food and stir it. The food is yummy, so yummy. After finish the stirring, now put the cover back. Now let's cook food in the pan. Turn on the button and remove pan cover. Then stirring. This food is ready now. It's so good and very yummy. Then close the pan cover. Open the fridge door and put orange juice and grape juice inside it. Then bake. Close the fridge door and open the small door close door. Inside, they pour 2 pots fork and put the cup under inside it. 1 and 2 and 3 cups. Put inside the cabinet. Then close the cabinet door. Then open another cabinet door. There is lots of different pots inside. Open the top door. Open the top one. There are jars, 3 jars, different jars. And look at this oven. This is the oven, and we are going to open it. The inside is a big meat. I want to make our food hot. Let's open the drawer. Oh, it's empty inside. Close it up. Then this is my new kitchen set. This is the beautiful window. This is the front. I can call to any of my friends. This is my beautiful set. This is the sink. They can on or off. Let's cook another food. Put the water in the pot. Let's cook something faster. Then we put the water. Then we put the orange juice in the pot. Let's cook orange juice. Some orange juice in there. Now close the bottle juice cover. Orange juice cover. Then put the orange back. Also cook purple grape juice. Put the purple grape juice in there. And then close the juice cover and put it in the fridge. Then close the fridge door. Then let's start boiling it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell and